Improving gut health can have a powerful impact on weight loss, reducing cravings, and boosting overall well-being. How gut bacteria affect weight. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the microbiome. A healthy balance between good and bad bacteria plays a key role in weight management. Studies show that people with a diverse microbiome tend to have a healthier weight. Gut bacteria help break down food, produce vitamins, and regulate fat storage, influencing how many calories you absorb. Imbalance and weight gain. An imbalance, called dysbiosis, can lead to poor digestion, inflammation, and weight gain. Harmful bacteria thrive on junk food, sugar, and processed fats, producing toxins that can slow metabolism. How bacteria control cravings. Your gut bacteria can actually influence the types of food you crave. Beneficial bacteria feed on fiber and whole foods, while harmful bacteria thrive on sugar and processed foods. If the bad bacteria dominate, you'll find yourself craving sugary or unhealthy foods more often. Balancing cravings. By restoring a healthy balance in your gut, you can reduce intense cravings, especially for sugar and carbs. Eating more fiber, fermented foods, and prebiotics encourages the growth of good bacteria that help regulate hunger hormones like ghrelin and leptin, curbing overeating. How to boost gut health for weight loss and craving control. 1. Avoid ultra-processed foods. These foods contain additives, artificial ingredients, and refined sugars that disrupt the gut. Chemicals like emulsifiers found in processed foods can damage the gut lining and contribute to inflammation and weight gain. 2. Limit sugar and artificial sweeteners. Excess sugar feeds harmful bacteria, leading to gut imbalance and increased cravings. Reduce processed foods, sugary drinks, and artificial sweeteners like aspartame. Go for naturally sweetened options like fruit or use stevia if you need a sugar substitute. 3. Eat more fiber-rich foods. Fiber acts as food for healthy gut bacteria. A diverse range of bacteria in your gut helps regulate weight and reduces sugar cravings. Fruits, like apples, berries, vegetables, broccoli, spinach, legumes, whole grains, oats, brown rice, and seeds, chia, flax. Add a handful of berries to your breakfast or sprinkle seeds into your smoothies. Eat slowly and mindfully. Chewing food thoroughly aids digestion and gives your gut bacteria more time to break down food properly. This helps prevent bloating and indigestion and can also reduce overeating, as your brain has time to register fullness. 4. Add resistant starch. Resistant starch is a type of fiber that isn't fully broken down and absorbed in the stomach. It ferments in the gut, feeding beneficial bacteria. Foods rich in resistant starch include green bananas, cooked and cooled potatoes, oats, and legumes. 5. Manage stress levels for gut health. How stress impacts gut health. Your gut and brain communicate through the gut-brain axis, a two-way communication system. Stress and anxiety can negatively affect your gut, causing digestive issues like bloating, cramps, and changes in gut bacteria. This imbalance can increase cravings for comfort foods like sweets and junk food. Reducing stress can significantly improve digestion and gut health. Activities like mindfulness, deep breathing, or even spending time in nature can lower cortisol, the stress hormone, and reduce inflammation in the gut. 6. Get enough sleep. Poor sleep alters the balance of gut bacteria, increasing inflammation and hunger hormones. This imbalance can lead to overeating and cravings for high-calorie, sugary foods, making weight loss more difficult. How to improve sleep. Establish a regular sleep schedule, avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, and create a relaxing environment to promote deeper sleep. Incorporating a calming tea, like chamomile, can also soothe digestion and prepare you for sleep. 7. Incorporate fermented foods. Fermented foods are full of probiotics, good bacteria, that balance your gut microbiome. The role of probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that directly add to the population of healthy microbes in your gut. They can help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and may even boost your metabolism. Sources are yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods. Prebiotics are types of fiber that act as food for the good bacteria in your gut. They help your gut bacteria flourish and maintain a healthy microbiome. Sources are asparagus, garlic, onions, bananas, and leeks. 8. Anti-inflammatory foods and spices for gut health. Chronic inflammation in the gut can disrupt your microbiome and make weight loss harder. Inflammation is often driven by poor diet, stress, and lack of sleep. It triggers insulin resistance, which can cause weight gain, especially around the belly. Anti-inflammatory foods. Foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce gut inflammation. Examples: fatty fish, salmon, sardines, olive oil, nuts, almonds, walnuts, leafy greens, spinach, kale, and berries. Spices for gut health. Add anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon to your meals. They not only flavor your food but also help reduce inflammation and improve digestion. 9. Increase gut diversity. A diverse gut microbiome is essential for optimal health. Studies show that people who eat a wide variety of plant-based foods have more diverse gut bacteria. The more diverse your bacteria, the better your gut can handle digestion and metabolism. How to increase diversity? Try to eat at least 30 different types of plant-based foods each week, including fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, and nuts. This variety ensures you get a broad range of nutrients and feed different types of beneficial bacteria. By making these changes to support your gut, you'll not only enhance weight loss but also feel more energetic, experience fewer cravings, and improve your overall digestive health. 10. Stay hydrated. Water aids digestion and supports the gut lining, which can reduce bloating and cravings. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Flavor your water with lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. 11. Exercise regularly. Physical activity enhances gut bacteria diversity, which is linked to weight loss and fewer cravings. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and light activities like walking or yoga. Take a 10-minute walk after meals to boost digestion and gut health. By focusing on these gut-friendly habits, you can improve your digestion, curb cravings, and support your weight loss journey. Start small with these simple changes, and watch how your body thanks you. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthy life. Stay mindful, stay nourished, and keep thriving. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on food and nutrition.